let's little bit discuss about its output side. Okay, so in the output side there is an NO, NC and common, normally open, normally close, and the common. Okay, so if you want like something as a completely continuously on, when we trigger relay it should be off, right? So or we want something like that, the normal load should be in off condition, and when we trigger it should be on. So according to that we can select this thing. I hope you know the basic concept of the relay. There is a common. When we trigger something, trigger the relay, then common would be connect with the NO, right? Or if you want to connect something on the NC side, the common will connect with the NC. That means it gets shorted, right? So if you want to connect some kind of load, let's say for the convenience we can take a buzzer. Okay, now buzzer working at the 5 volt, right? But relay we can consider it like we are using some kind of 220 volt, right? According to the relay's capacity, 220, 12, 24 volt, right? AC voltage or DC voltage. But for initial application, let's say we have taken this buzzer, and let me check if the 12 volt power supply is there or not. No power supply, nahi. Okay, so let's try to make it connect the buzzer with a higher voltage. Like let's say we can connect with a 5 volt. Okay, so we are taking as a 5 volt. Okay, now whenever we trigger the relay, the buzzer should be on, right? And in that case we have taken the 5 volt, right? But when we talk about the external power supply, we can let's say we have there is a 12 volt, you have a 220 volt power supply there. So we have connected the one terminal directly to our appliances like a buzzer, or maybe there could be a bulb, right? I don't think that there should be a bulb in that. Yeah, so it could be like you can replace the buzzer with the bulb in your case. But right now we are using example as a buzzer. So in that case what we have to give, right, here we need to provide one short circuit. That means we have to add the break here, as a relay will work as a mediator. Let's say I have connected the common, right? Now it will need a ground, right? But we have connected the ground side to the common. If we trigger the relay, it will not is it correct circuit, guys? It is completed or not?
No.
Right, because still we are not giving the ground, right, or lower voltage side of the buzzer side. So what we will do, we will take another thing here, and we will connect the ground source or the low voltage source of the power supply. If there is power supply like 12 volt or more than that, so to the NC, we will connect that NC to the another point of, right, another point of ground, or what we call it neutral in case of AC voltage. So in our case we just need a ground, right? So here I am connecting the things, I am connecting that NC to ground. Let me try to use that ground. Is it completed now?
We need to have it normally open, right?
You can choose according to you, like you want,
Exactly. Yes, yes.
right?
It will be like inverse of it.
Both would be inverse, like either it would be continuously on, or either would be on only when we trigger it, right?
Yes, yes,
So we can choose
understood.
according to our application. So I hope this is the completed circuit, right? You can use in case of when you are going to use any kind of higher voltage appliances or AC voltage appliances. Okay, so let me share it.